Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Are you tired of ordinary shelves? Well, I have found a beautiful floating shelf that you will love. I am in love with this beautiful set of two floating shelves. It has displayed art in the living room so beautifully, and even a little plant to bring in some greenery. The second shelf displays a not so light salt crystal, but definitely under the 20-pound recommendation for these shelves. And it looks beautiful. I do appreciate that the PU leather is soft and definitely strong. I do like the gold cap that goes over the screws because it looks really elegant and it gives a nice finishing touch. So let your imagination flow and share beautiful art on these not so ordinary floating shelves. I love them, I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.